Hello YouTube, Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So today I'm doing something different. I'm taking the train to Abeokuta, and here is the ticketing counter, competitive to anything you find anywhere in the West. And I purchased a first class ticket to Abeokuta, and it's 3,500 naira. So now they tell you this is the way you go to go catch the train. And that's what the train station looks like. And you can see the train is already there waiting for us to board it. It's a pretty looking station. It was commissioned June 10th, 2021. So let me see if I can show this to you. So this goes to Ibadan, but I'll be stopping in what do you call it? I'll be stopping in Abeokuta. So let me bring my ticket out and show it to the pretty lady. And then go through the... Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So here's a pretty lady looking at my ticket. Thank you. Just goes... I'll do the stairs. These are the escalators, but I'll do the stairs. So we have walking escalators, which is pretty exciting. Our lighting could be better, but it's incredible. It's an impressive structure. So this is me getting my morning steps in. So the shops aren't ready yet, even though you have signs for the shops. It does look like an airport. So shops, waiting room. There are no shops yet, but they're coming. So that's the escalator. There's still a lot of construction work going on, so the place is not really ready. Here they're running a generator. So this will be an opportunity for us to get solar power here. Well, generators for the construction site. So that's the train I'll be boarding. So now we'll go to the waiting area and I'll stop the video. So it kind of reminds you of an airport. And this train leaves right on time. Hello. So see, quite a lot of people are waiting to board the train, which is good. It leaves at 8 to Ibadan. Clean bathrooms. Very clean bathrooms. I like that. I was told I'm not allowed to do videos. Well, we'll see. Nice sinks, but no running water.
You're welcome on board. We are now departing Mobolaji Johnson Station. Our next stop is at Professor Wale Soyinka Station at Ladere in Abeokuta. Please be reminded.
This is a train station in Agege. And it's called the Batini Fashola. I didn't want to show the other side because I don't want to invade, privacy issues. So this is the train station, train stop in Agege, the Batini Fashola station, Agege. It's not commissioned yet, so it's not active. It's not a stop yet. You can still see construction workers at the train station, and that's the market. You see, there's still construction work ongoing. And proverbial people right by the tracks. This is why the train runs as slowly as it does. People sitting right next to the tracks. I wish I could show you the initial image, but if anybody knows what this is, post it in the comment section below. Don't ask me where this is, I have no clue, but it's pretty impressive whatever it is. They're building something here and it's pretty big, and the railroad tracks are going into it. Here's another train station. And you see the cargo cars or whatever those cars are. I've been seeing them, they run at night and they carry cargo or whatever it is they carry. We just went past another train station. The beautiful views along the way. This is what makes this trip fun or enjoyable. You just relax and look at all the greenery. You're getting away from the city. So I'm finally in Abeokuta, and here's a lovely train station they built for us, but no waiting areas. And then I'll show you the roads leading to the airport. So there are no roads either. But it's work in progress. I'm sure you come back in a year, it will definitely look better. There is progress. There definitely is progress, so I'm pretty psyched. There's a lovely station in Abeokuta. It's called Ladering Wole Soyinka train station. If you're in Abeokuta and you're looking for a nice Airbnb, you can stay here. Let me show you a mural and it'll give you an idea. Here, the reason I'm here actually is to find where we can properly install a solar solution here. So that's why I'm here today. So let me go outside and show you something. Hopefully you can capture it. So you see the mural? Let me go. So the mural captures that's Fela over there. That's Fela's mother. That's Dr. Beko, Fela's brother. So yes, this is the Ransom Kuti family house, and then the museum is right down there. So if you're coming to Abeokuta and you're going to visit the museum and you need a place to spend the night, consider here. So something Abeokuta is known for is all the rocks.
The rock, exactly. That's where the name came from.
So if you look up there, you see all houses sitting on rocks or sitting in rocks. So that's what Abeokuta is known for. Abeokuta means underneath rocks. So you see houses are constructed right next to rocks, on rocks. So that's it. So I'm back in Lagos, and as you could see, it's a very pretty building. And that's the train that brought us back from Abeokuta. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, post them in the comment section below. If you're yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. As you can see, the parking area, you get free parking. Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria.